This is the Freak 5 Loyalty.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA.
I mean, it ain't half bad. Okay, this is actually the first time I'm trying a Giannis shoe, and I can't wait any longer, so together let's take a look of the newly released Freak 5. First off, I think the box is on point. We have a premium feel box with a purple swoosh on the front and Giannis logo on top. On the background, we have all the flowers or vegetation, I think. Flip to the side, we have the text says Zoom Freak 5. For the shoe itself, I think it's very interesting. The design is bold. The first thing you see is this over-exaggerated golden swoosh sitting on the side to let you know where the shoe comes from. Upon taking a closer look, a lot of things are happening. Other than the golden swoosh, we have some more swooshes. This, that, and this. All happening on a colorful palette, including this gym red mesh panel and full green fall leather overlay spanning from the toe to the heel. One thing I don't like so far is the bottom. What the heck is this? It's busy and ugly. What, you trying to create a crime scene? Stop it, please. Overall, I think the Freak 5 is okay shoe. The tag setup is pretty bare with a tiny rectangular zoom in the forefoot. That's about it, but we're still going to take it to the court and see how it performs. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.